Are you tired of wrestling with stubborn bolts and screws like they're heavyweight champions? Fear not, my friend. It's time to step into the ring with the best impact drivers that will have you feeling like a tool-taming superhero. These handy gadgets pack a punch, transforming your DIY struggles into effortless victories. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned pro, join us as we explore the top contenders that will revolutionize your toolbox and leave those pesky fasteners quaking in their boots. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. DEWALT XTREME DCF801F2, our pick for best budget impact driver. If you're on the hunt for the best budget-friendly impact driver, look no further than the DEWALT XTREME DCF801F2. This little powerhouse is not just another tool, it's practically your new best friend in the DIY world. With a whopping 28 volts of power at your fingertips and a maximum rotational speed of 2850 RPM, you'll be driving screws like a pro in no time. Boasting 52% more torque than its rivals, this 12-volt max brushless beauty is the silent assassin of the tool shed. Swift, efficient, and just 19% shorter than your average impact driver. So whether you're tightening up kitchen cabinets or building that epic treehouse you've always dreamed of, it's got your back. What's more, the brushless motor doesn't just promise power, it delivers snazzy runtime and durability. With a 1/4-inch quick-release hex, switching out bits is smoother than your favorite playlist. And when it comes to precision, the 3 mode settings ensure you nail it every time. No more over-tightened screws ruining your day. Worried about working in the dark? The 3 LED lights on the nose will illuminate your workspace, making shadowy corners a thing of the past. Weighing in at just 1.75 pounds, it's light enough to keep you swinging from sunrise to sundown. Plus, it's kitted with 2 ampere-hour batteries that let you know exactly when you're running low. So, gear up and get ready to tackle your projects with style and ease. Number 4. Milwaukee M18 Fuel, our pick for best 18-volt impact driver. If you're tired of wrestling with stubborn fasteners and wish you could zip through your tasks with the grace of a caffeinated squirrel, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel impact driver is here to save the day. This battery-powered marvel doesn't just talk the talk with a max rotational speed of 3,900 RPM. It walks the walk with a jaw-dropping 2,000 inch-pound of torque. You'll feel like a superhero wielding a hammer, but way cooler and without the side effects of capes. The secret sauce? It's the unbeatable combination of blistering speed and impeccable control. Say goodbye to stripped screws and those moments of, oops, I did it again. With stellar trigger control, you'll glide through small fasteners like you're on a smooth dance floor, leaving no room for drama or damage to your materials. And for those late-night projects when the workshop lights are dim, fear not. The Tri-LED lighting has your back, illuminating your workspace like the runway lights at a major airport. Plus, with 4 drive modes, you can easily adapt to whatever challenge comes your way, whether it's a DIY weekend project or a job site that needs your expert touch. So, rev up your productivity and let Milwaukee redefine your impact driver experience. You'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Still searching for the perfect impact driver? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. DeWalt XR DCF845B, our pick for best powerful impact driver. If you're ready to elevate your DIY game, the DeWalt XR DCF845B impact driver is about to become your new best friend. This powerhouse isn't just another tool in the shed, it's your ticket to conquering those tough fastening challenges with ease. With a wicked brushless motor that churns out a jaw-dropping 18.25 inch-pound of torque and an impressive 3,400 RPM, you'll feel like a superhero tightening down big screws with zero sweat. Say goodbye to the days of fumbling with subpar drivers that leave you grumbling. With 30% more torque, this bad boy tackles whatever you throw at it on the job site, be it lumber or metal, like it's a walk in the park. And let's talk control. The variable speed trigger and 3-speed settings give you the finesse to switch gears on a dime, ensuring you're in charge every step of the way. But wait, there's more! Ever found yourself squinting in dimly lit corners? No worries. The integrated 3 LED work light will shine the spotlight on your projects, letting you tackle tasks with the illumination of 1,000 suns. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, get ready to wield the power of the DeWalt XR DCF845B and turn those daunting projects into delightful victories. Embrace the torque. Your future self will thank you. Number 2. Milwaukee M12 Fuel, our pick for best 12-volt impact driver. If you're on the hunt for the ultimate 12-volt impact driver, look no further than the Milwaukee M12 Fuel. It's like the Swiss Army knife of the tool world, compact enough to fit in your pocket, but powerful enough to tackle just about anything you throw at it. Seriously, this little dynamo is lightweight and a joy to hold, making those long days of DIY projects feel less like a workout and more like a walk in the park. But don't let its size fool you. This mighty driver's performance might just make you rethink the need for bulkier tools. With the M12 Fuel in your arsenal, you'll breeze through your projects faster than you can say lag bolt, clocking in an average of just 37 seconds for the tough stuff. And the torque? Oh, it boasts an impressive 143 foot-pounds for fastening and a staggering 275 foot-pounds for braking torque. Talk about packing a punch. What's even better? Milwaukee has built a whole ecosystem around this powerhouse, meaning a single battery and charger can keep more than just this driver running. You'll be the envy of your DIY crew, armed with an array of tools that make you feel like a pro. So go on and add the M12 Fuel to your toolkit. Your future self will thank you. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. DEWALT DCK240C2 Cordless Drill, our pick for best impact driver overall. If you're tired of wrestling with tools that just won't cut it, the DEWALT DCK240C2 Cordless Drill is about to change your DIY game. This powerhouse packs a punch with a high-performance motor that delivers a staggering 300 unit watts out of sheer power. Whether you're assembling furniture, hanging shelves, or tackling those pesky home renovations, this drill won't just keep up. It'll leave you wondering how you ever managed without it. With a compact and lightweight design, this drill and impact driver combo means you can squeeze into those tight spots that regular tools just can't handle. The half-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck ensures that your bits won't just hang out. No one wants a flaky tool partner. Plus, with its ergonomic handle, you'll feel like you're wielding a magic wand, giving you the comfort and control to craft your masterpiece. And let's talk convenience. The one-handed loading quarter-inch hex chuck lets you change bits faster than you can say home improvement. No more fumbling around, just grab your bits and get to work. With 2 lithium-ion batteries included, you're always ready to roll, turning your project dreams into reality. The DEWALT DCK240C2 is not just an impact driver, it's your trusty sidekick in tackling everything from small fixes to big projects. Your toolbox just found a new best friend. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best impact drivers. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which impact driver you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.